Hi, it's Karen Hummel, and I want to tell you about another fabulous income earner within our company. He was a DJ and made $600,000 niche blogging. Before I go on, though, I want to just put out a disclaimer. In order to make money with any company, you have to do the work and you have to learn what you need to learn in order to progress and keep increasing your income. So you may or may not make $600,000 niche blogging. If you work it, you will, but if you don't work it, you won't. And I think more often than not, a lot of people get started and say they're going to do something and don't actually do it and then blame their company instead of actually putting onus where it belongs. Did you do the work or did you not do the work? So I really like sharing these people's stories because I think it's important for people to realize that they can do this too. A lot of these stories are not much different than yours or mine, or you may have had a harder time or an easier time, or but the point is, you can make this happen. And so I like to share with how people got started in this business. Well, like I said, he was a DJ, and he was invited to a network marketing opportunity, like many of us have been through. And he was the only person in the room that did not sign up, but he got the big picture of it. He got how you can make a lot of money with it. But again, like many of us, and there's nothing wrong with this if you're doing this, but many of us didn't want to do home parties and talk to our friends and family about our business, and he didn't want to do that. So he went home and he studied internet marketing. He spent about $10,000 on crud products. Can anyone else raise a hand if you've done that? If you've been in internet marketing and just spent, I can't imagine how much money I've wasted on products that have not worked for me. And but that's the learning curve. It's part of starting any business. You have to make mistakes first, you learn and you move on, and then you find out what's right for you. So he, like I said, he did some niche marketing, and what he did was he looked up different companies and blogged about different companies. He said to always keep it positive, though. You want to make friends, not foes. So be positive about these companies. Find the good. If you're not, and I'm all about integrity. If you don't think the company is good, then don't write about it. I just think that's the best way to go. A friend on my team, he had another great idea with niche blogging, and for recruiting in your personal area near your home, you could write reviews about local restaurants or any other kind of local business that you go to a lot, hair salon, whatever it may be. So there's a couple ideas for you. Always remember, I'm saying this because I did this. I have a whole blog at KarenHummel.com where I never put a call to action after any blog post, which is not smart. But I didn't know. You don't know what you don't know at the time until you learn it. So make sure you put a call to action after every blog post, whatever business you're in, or even if you're just blogging on your own and trying to sell a service. Make sure you put that call to action. Otherwise, you're not going to capture people's information. And it's helpful even if you have, because I did have videos and audios that people could sign up to listen, and I could put them on my list, but still put that call to action. And as always, never give up. Keep going towards your dreams. You'll eventually get there, but you're not going to get there if you quit. So you have a great day, and I'm sure I'll see you again soon. Bye.